Okay, we're going to try subtracting unlike fractions, and we'll make sure our answer is in simplest form. So first thing we have to do is to find a common multiple between 3 and 6. So I've got 2/3 and I've got 1/6. Now, how do I subtract those? Well, first I've got to convert them. So what is something that appears on both the multiplication tables of 3 and 6? How about 6 itself? So what do I have to multiply 6 by, or 3 by, in order to get 6? I have to multiply it by 2. So I'm going to do that right here. 3 times 2. Now, whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So 2 times 2 up here. Now, my 1/6 doesn't have to change because it's already over 6. So let's rewrite our question. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6 minus 1/6. So this one changed and this one didn't. 4/6 minus 1/6. Now, what does that look like? For all of my thirds, I want 2 sections instead of 1. So I'm going to split them in half. Split them in 2. Now I've got 4 out of 6. That's what I said here. Now 4/6 minus 1/6, that's pretty easy. That's just 3/6. Now what is 3/6 in simplest form? These both divide by 3. Divide by 3 equals 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 3/6 is the same as 1/2, which makes sense. If you have 6 of something total and 3 of them are blue and 3 of them are red, then that's half are blue and half are red. Okay, so that's your answer, 1/2.